number of subgroups. So if n is the cardinality of G, then what is the cardinality of S? Means 2 raised to the power. So if this is countable, this is finite, then obviously this is going to be finite. Getting this Cantor's is of infinite, means finite sets के ऊपर तो you Cantor's is okay, surjection not possible, but this countability comes for if this turns out to be finite, then it is countable. If this turns out to be finite, then this is countable. So if G is a finite group of order n, so its all collection of subgroups will be finite also, and a finite set is always countable. A finite set is always countable. Any doubt? No. What happens if G turns out to be infinite group? Judge. So if G turns out to be infinite group, then there will be no bijection between G and its collection of all subgroups. G and say sorry n और S के बीच में, so S will be uncountable. So this is one category. TIFR also they have asked. These are some themes which can never be changed. So they frame questions based on themes actually. So that is one theme. One theme is also there, infinite sequences wala. Okay. So that is also I discussed in your assignment and class notes. कि collection of all infinite sequences made up of suppose that two elements 0 and 1. Like suppose that you can have the sequence like this, you can have the sequence like this, you can have the sequence like this. So what I say, suppose that this is the sequence S1, this is S2, this is S3 and so on. The question is collection of all these S1, S2, Sn is countable or uncountable. So this comes under the same category. So please do remember these three subcategories. You will feel okay, I have done enough for this countability part. So yes, this was all thing. Even though I decided that I will finish this lecture within 30 minutes, but such beautiful concepts are there, because once these are clear, you will feel the real analysis. Okay, and if not clear, you will just mugging up that you are doing from you have been doing from this childhood only. Okay, so this is the part. The next lecture is going to be for real sequences, and from these 1 to 3 lectures, I hope you people are understanding what is the procedure of teaching and how we will finish the syllabus within 6 to 7 months. But stay tuned, keep practicing, keep revising the class notes which I am giving to you, keep solving assignments which I am giving to you. Stick to disciplined learning. Don't forget that disciplined learning. Telegram group is there, like there we can share everything. Any doubt you people can share there. I will definitely reply. Any question, anything, I'm always open. Okay. So stay tuned. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.